20 Mindfulness Tips for Beginners. Tip number 1. Understand the point of mindfulness. Mindfulness will not solve all your problems, but it will help you better appreciate your life and cope with difficult times. Tip number 2. Set smart goals. Create the life you want by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Tip number 3. Accept your challenges. Accept your challenges so you can more honestly tackle the problem head-on, allowing you to recover faster. Tip number 4. Start small. Begin your training by starting small. Try being mindful for only a few minutes a day. Tip number 5. Use your breath. Breathing is one of the best ways to anchor yourself and be mindful. Tip number 6. Separate thoughts from reality. Many people struggle with separating emotions from reality. Learn how to separate your emotions from reality to respond more mindfully. Tip number 7. Be kind to yourself. Learning how to be mindful is hard. Cut yourself some slack by being kind to yourself, even when you fail. Tip number 8. Prioritize your mindfulness. It is easy to put mindfulness training on the back burner whenever other tasks arise. Prioritize your mindfulness. Tip number 9. Be creative. There are countless ways to practice mindfulness. Use your creativity to become mindful in ways that are fun, engaging, and relevant to your life. Tip number 10. Turn off the phone. Modern technology creates many advantages in life, but mindfulness is not one of them. Turn off your phone or other devices to fully connect to the present. Tip number 11. Use your breaks wisely. During your work break, practice mindfulness. Even though it can be easy to tune out and scroll through your phone, use that time to connect with yourself and your feelings. Tip number 12. Create a morning routine. The first hour of your day is arguably the most important one. Start your morning off the right way by incorporating a mindful routine. Tip number 13. Focus on your body, mind, and spirit. It is super easy to prioritize one aspect of yourself whenever you are starting mindfulness training. Emphasize your body, mind, and spirit to have a more holistic and balanced training. Tip number 14. Try yoga. Yoga has become a staple in many people's wellness training, and with good reason. Yoga is a great way to connect your body, mind, and spirit while practicing mindfulness. Tip number 15. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily activities. Practice mindfulness by incorporating it into your daily activities. Be mindful when driving, walking, or anything else you do throughout the day. Tip number 16. Mindfulness as meditation. For a more formal approach to mindfulness, try a guided meditation practice. Tip number 17. Calm your body with progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a great way to be mindful of your body and help it calm down. Tip number 18. Be mindful at work. Work is one of the biggest stressors in our lives. Help yourself alleviate some of that stress by being mindful at work. Tip number 19. Don't compare yourself to others. Never compare your challenges or mindfulness practice to that of another. Each of us has different limitations and strengths. Tip number 20. Use mindfulness to push yourself. Use your mindfulness training as an opportunity to expand your mind and push yourself out of your comfort zones.